Good morning. It is Sunday, the 11th of September 2022, and I'm waking up in my hotel room in Montluçon. So let's wake up and see what the weather has to offer today. Ooh, sexy Sunday weather. As you can see, nice building outside. More importantly, I've got approximately 45 minutes to get downstairs and get myself some breakfast. So I'm gonna go get some brekkie, and then we're gonna work out roughly where we're gonna go today. Clermont-Ferrand, where the Gothic church is, which a friend, Mr. Ash Gatsby, has actually recommended that I go visit, is about 93 kilometers from where we currently are. So we'll definitely head that direction and we'll see how far we get on the road today. So anyway, let's go get some brekkie and get into the day. Okay, so you can see they've got the standard cakes, croissants, bread, more cakes, pancakes, cupcakes, some kind of other cake, or your Nutella. Let's see, whatever that is, and maple syrup, along with your cereals, a range of jams, fruit salad, fruits, dried fruits, yogurts, cheese, and a deep fryer for something, I think eggs, and OJ. Got my favourite cornflakes, got an apricot yogurt, black coffee, the standard French, have a look at that, it's a croissant, and I've rolled up some pancakes with some maple syrup. That's just to start off my day. We'll see how I'll go with this, and then maybe I'll have some more. Okay, having a shower, about to hit the road, it's nearly 12 o'clock, just uploaded a ton of my videos. So yeah, we're heading towards the south, and we'll see how we go today. So I'm hoping to cycle about 70-80 kilometers, so we'll see how we go. And thank you so much for the stay.
Welcome, and every time is nice. Yeah.
€50, bargain. Breakfast, everything, good room, friendly staff.
We have breakfast free for you. It's more.
Well, is it really?
Yeah, ready. Yeah.
Oh, did I eat for free? Did
Yeah.
I? Oh shit, sorry man.
I see you.
Au revoir. Oh, there you go, I got a free brekkie. Didn't even know, man. I thought it was included. Next stop, Clermont-Ferrand. Beautiful day. So let's get into it. And I reckon it's 93 kilometers to Clermont-Ferrand. So we just see what happens. Let's go for it. Okay, so I thought, just as we're leaving the city, I'll give you just a little look through of Montluçon. Beautiful city. Same theme as all the other old French cities through the south of France. Beautiful old architecture. And I thought I'd just show you the chateau, or the cathedral, as we go through. So it's going to be up here on the right. I had a drink at that bar last night. Here we go. One last look. So let's get on track for a big day on the road. Got the Garmin working correctly today, fully powered, plenty of water in my bike packing bag, and away we go. Okay, so it appears on today's route towards Clermont-Ferrand, there are a lot of hills, so I'm getting a lot better at using my gears on my bike. I've got the Garmin, and we're going up hills as the beautiful sunshine is kicking right in front of me. So wish me luck on these epic hills here on day number 11. Okay, so we are in the little town of Marselet en Combriel, and I am exactly 26 kilometers into my cycle in approximately 2 hours 5 minutes. The gradients are quite steep today, so I'm just trying my best, but I'm really proud of myself because I'm actually getting up the hills without walking the bike or anything like that. It's amazing, a road bike. And what am I, like 12 days into cycling, and I'm getting the hang of the gears, and it's a lot easier than it was in the first few days of me cycling. So sweating profusely. I found a little tobacco just around the corner there, and I thought I'd just show you this lovely little church. Unbelievable as the sun shines. So we're gonna go over in that direction. Okay, so we're in the tobacco. My friend, what's a good beer? Polana?
Polana ou bière belge.
Okay. I'll try a Polana. Civil plate, yeah.
Okay.
On the Polanas, I believe this is a German white beer, I think. Cheers, lads. Sante. And you're from?
Belgium.
Belgium. Well, Sante.
The bikes.
And the bikes.
Salute dinero.
Very nice, Harley Davidson. Ooh, I like that. Cool, man. And you're enjoying your trip?
Of course.
Cool, man.
Always.
Always.
Good, it's very fast driving every day, 400 kilometers.
400 kilometers.
We did now 2,000 kilometers. We have 1,000 to go anymore. And
Okay.
And we go.
Well, enjoy the last...
But always raining in Belgium. Here it's good weather.
Oh, it's beautiful weather here in the south of France.
Yeah.
Well, I just want to say, enjoy your last few days
Okay.
on the way back to Belgium.
You do. Thank you. We have an appointment.
I just wanted to show you these beautiful views as we creep closer towards Clermont-Ferrand. Man, it's tough going today. Nothing but gradients, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's the hardest cycle I've done for the whole trip so far. But I just wanted to show you these beautiful views. We're just into the forest now, we're into the mountains. Just green, lush, both left and right. And the sun, when it's like this, it's a pleasure to be out here. Vitamin D, fresh air, and feeling good as I sweat out all the booze and the kebabs from the previous day's work. So I had a good brekkie today and a good attitude, and I think that's what's going to get me through this little tour. So I hope you enjoyed the content, and please subscribe to my channel, guys, as an amateur cyclist takes on Paris to Nice 2022. I hope you enjoy the journey. Okay, Sunday afternoon, looking for a place to stay. Have a look at this place. And I thought I was completely stuffed, but I met some lovely Zimbabwean owners. Pleasure to meet you.
Craig.
Craig,
Nice to meet you.
Roberts.
My wife Lesley's inside somewhere.
Oh, let's go say g'day.
Yeah, have a look.
I cannot believe this is just like a stroke of luck. Robert.
I'm Lesley.
Lesley, pleasure to meet you, and I cannot believe, like, literally I thought I was stranded tonight. I was thinking, where can I stay? I'm gonna go stay in a church or whatever, and they welcomed me into their home. €50 per night, great deal. Wi-Fi. I'll show you the room a little bit later. Beautiful bed as well, and they've just given me some eggs after a long 50-kilometer cycle, whatever it's been today. Protein and even beers. I mean,
Yeah,
you couldn't even get a better deal.
beer.
Couldn't even get a better deal. Okay, so let's go have some beers and we'll chill out. Sante.
Sunday.
Sante.
Merci beaucoup.
We're both Zimbabweans. We started the Victoria Falls pigeon race with Jeff Armand, who's been a friend of mine for many years. And the first year we decided to come to France on a boat. And so we bought a canal boat and we sailed for 11 months. But I worked for the loft promoting. It's One Loft Racing, pigeon racing is becoming quite a world phenomenon now. I think the prize money for Victoria Falls race, if I'm not mistaken, is $1.5 million US. So it's a lot of prize money because it costs some money to enter the race. Yeah, so we sailed for a year, and then Jeff asked me to go back to Zimbabwe. So I went back and I ran the race for 2 years. But I think sailing around France, we decided we liked the weather, we liked the people. So we went back for 2 years, and then just took a flyer and moved here. Fortunately, we managed to sell our business, Southern Comfort, our lodge. Yeah, and so we've been.
So just for the people back home, you used to run a hotel.
Yeah.
Back in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, in Bulawayo, the second largest city. Yeah, so now we're here.
Well, and that's a great story. Pigeons. I've heard a lot about it in back home in Australia, but I just never really researched it.
It's an amazing trip. You know, most people know about horse racing because horses are bred and raced, but pigeon racing is a very unique sport. You're either involved in it or you're not.
Okay.
But it's becoming a huge industry, very, very big in Belgium and most of Europe, and really getting bigger and bigger in China. They have pigeon races in China where they have 12,000 pigeons or more in one loft racing. It's a lot of birds.
It wouldn't surprise me, especially with China. They're quite competitive.
It's unbelievable. 2 years ago, they bought one pigeon that flew very well in Belgium for 1.4 million euros. One pigeon. So, give you some idea. There is some money involved in it, but
okay, that's just madness.
Big industry. Yeah, it's growing.
Okay, well, thanks for that story. Appreciate it. Really do.
No problem.
He's the lovely son of the great couple. Your name?
I'm Scott, and I was just saying, like, it's a bit crazy, the world sometimes. An Australian on a bike meets 3 Zimbabweans in the middle of rural France.
Correct. And talking about random, like literally it was random because I was, thinking I'm going to pitch a tent tonight, whatever I'm going to do. I literally walked into your home, uninvited, but now I am invited. But mate, absolute pleasure to meet you, and thanks for being part of my video.
Great, glad to have you.
Thank you, man. This is the conclusion of a day number 11 or 12, my travel journey here in the south of France, and I have found some lovely Zimbabweans randomly who have put me up for €50 per night. I'll tell you what, you're not traveling too badly when you've got Wi-Fi, a working toilet, hot cooker, hot plate, eggs, a microwave, a bassinet, hot cooker once again, a self, how you doing, mirror. We've got the double bed, nicely made with a TV as well. And we've even got cornflakes, Cocoa Crunches, what are they? Cocoa Chocopic, tea, all your amenities, including a shower, toilet, and everything that you need. So look, this is the end of today's travel vlog video. Hope you are enjoying my content, and guys, just keep following me. Couldn't care less these days. If you want to subscribe, whatever. And away we go. I'm trying my best. That's all I can do. I keep cycling and I keep putting my personality out there, and away we go. So good night, au revoir, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.